Okay, a little bit of an unboxing video here. Sorry, man. I've got to use the microphone on my headset. I can't seem to get my audio to work. So a little bit of an unboxing video here. From Takealot, I bought 3 dash cams for 3 of my company vehicles. So we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing here. On Takealot, these oaks are going for $7.99. Very good reviews, quite a lot of reviews. So this is the BezosMax 4K Ultra HD dual channel with Wi-Fi. So it comes doesn't want to focus. There we go. All right. Comes with Wi-Fi and also an app to apparently app to view the footage. So all right, so you get don't know what this is, just a little bit of a, I don't know, a card. All right, let's start here. So well, it's very well packaged, I must say. So this is the rear camera, very long wire, and some screws, and also some double-sided tape. I suppose if you want to stick it on the window, we'll have a look at that now. Then we have the power supply. It comes with it. It plugs into your cigarette lighter port. The suction cup. Yeah, just a suction cup. And packed with goodies. Looks like a USB memory card reader and some double-sided tape as well. A little tool to most probably tuck the wires, and a little thing that looks like I don't know, looks like a cell phone, you know, one of those pins to insert a memory card. All right, then there's a user manual in there as well. Might have to use it. Yep, that's the QR code to scan the app. All right, I suppose the camera is on this side. So this is I suppose the camera. So put this to one side. Yep, this is the camera. Nice and small. Uh, it says 4K UHD. So if we can focus, it's got a reset button. Well, that's what the pin is most probably for to reset it, and looks like the SD card is installed already. Yes, it is. The little SD card. It's a SD card. I think it's a 64 megabyte SD card, if I'm not mistaken. But I will throw a little thing up for the Takealot where it is advertised. And then, all right, buttons in the bottom, and then it looks like on the back it's got your okay, most probably memory, up arrow and a down arrow. And let's see, has this got, no, it either hasn't got a battery installed, or it's flat. Let me see. Yeah, I've got a wire. Let me see if I can get this thing. Oh yeah, comes on. Plays a little bit of a tune. Oh, it's got on top. It's got obviously where you put your mounting for your suction cup, and also the in for the rear camera. So yeah, it is recording. I don't know if you guys can see, but I will do a comparison. I'll do a comparison and see what the quality is like. They say it is a 170 field of view, 170-degree wide angle. So hopefully that works. All right, let's see if the back camera works. Yeah, like I said, double-sided tape and some screws to most probably mount it if you want to mount it. And this is what the camera looks like. Just standard camera. Nice long wire. Looks like you've got a waterproof connection there. Okay, let's plug it in, see if it works. Plugged it in, and yes, it actually does record. If you can, let me put my finger on there. There we go. It does actually record, so that works. All right, so much for the unboxing. Okay, so I've done the unboxing and I've done like a quick review. It's not the best by any comparison. Listen, I just quickly mounted the camera onto the windshield, so there's a lot of glare, a lot of you can see a lot of reflection on the windshield, which could impact the image quality a little bit. But hey, listen, it is what it is. You get what you paid for, and as far as I'm concerned, for the price you are paying, 799 Rand, it's a pretty good camera. It looks like it's got GPS, it's got a battery, and it does obviously sound recording. And if you do get a wire kit, it also supports 24-hour monitoring. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this dash cam. I just bought these ones for the company vehicles. I don't need super clear quality. It's just for in case something happens. I had to go and fetch the other wire, so let's have a look. Plugged it into the cigarette lighter, and it is coming on. So it is obviously, sorry, let me just put the volume down here. Alright, so let's take a little bit of a drive around. No, so I will just hold the camera and I'll just hold this camera, have a little bit of a look and see what's happening. It's going to be most probably a little bit shaky. I'm just doing a drive around here, and just to have a little bit of a comparison and see. Alright, so I'm going to put this one down.